read those, at least. They're for reading.
Pay attention.
I thought they were for wiping my butt with.
So, Santa gave me that, and this is from Mom. And then the other gift was from Mom, too. Ooh. What is it?
Whoa.
Oh, it's cylinder. Oh, sweet. Elise, look at it. A Minecraft cylinder.
I know.
That just came this was from Mom. Sweet.
Yep. Because you broke the other one.
And then I guess this is from you, too. Thank you, Mom.
I think those are for Caleb.
Thank you.
This one is for...
No,
I have no idea.
This
one's to Dad. She's on a rose.
Oh.
I'm going to throw it to you, okay?
Mom, here's one for you.
Oh,
For
you
me.
did it.
Thank you.
It's a cute little box.
Oh, let's see. Oh, a mount for my TV. Yep.
You got a TV?
Uncle Mark, this is for you. Right? Yeah, this is for you. That's for you.
Wait a minute.
That's for you.
He was getting
Okay.
a picture.
This one's for you. No, I gotta see what this is. I'm guessing it's Legos or something.
I really hope there's no order to how it's supposed to open.
No, there
I'm
isn't.
sorry. Oh. Kind of going all over the place.
This is for you.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, see, zombie pigman.
Yeah, is it sounding like a little bit here?
No, actually today's the
Look how small the gas is.
Zach, I can make more.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Oh,
All it does over here is
freaking lucky.
snow. Every day we've had winter advisory for snow.
It took a
Hey,
bit,
this is for you.
of looking to find them.
Oh, thank
The only thing that made me mad is
Yeah.
they were throwing
This is for
dirt.
you too. I'm gonna go over here.
When it's too cold, they don't use salt. They just use dirt because salt won't do anything.
Well, or sand.
Yeah, it's sand. The salt won't melt the snow this cold.
Woohoo, Max! We gotta open our big presents. Ugh. This is for Mom.
Yes. Yes. And,
This is for
yes.
me. That's for you. Don't open my present. Thank you, Mom. You want the one now?
All three of the Hunger Games books.
So
Oh,
you gotta read those too.
Face cleaner. Right now.
This yellow one's blue.
That's
Is it summer now?
That's when we open the pool.
Check it out.
What is it?
It's a boat.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. Open the pool in April when it's too cold to swim in. We have that. Will be so fun. Fun. Yes.
Yeah, it's like it's too cold. But it's spring. We get to bathe in the pool.
It goes out there for this kid the whole entire planet. So.
Zach,
Thank you.
sit over there, all right?
Welcome.
Zachary, sit over there, okay? Because I can't see it. But being an inch away from me, just block everybody else.
Who's that?
Zach,
Please, did you like
Zach,
that face thing? I love it.
slide over there, please.
Here.
Because you block everybody else. Zach. Dude, it's videotaping.
This is for you. This one.
Zach, could you sit over by Elise?
It doesn't have a name on it.
For Mom.
Oh, God.
Elise.
I didn't wrap that one.
Here you go.
Oh, you got beads.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you know.
Whatever.
Really? I can't. At least it's all stuff is there.
Open up the edge.
Dude, move your stuff. Right. Dad wants me to sit here.
Sit right here. You can't sit in this way.
This is to
Mom, apples to apples.
me. From non-resistant. Max! Max! What? Look behind you.
That is a cool case.
It's big. It's not in the small first. Okay. Hey, what's in it?
From
Legos.
Hey,
Matchbox
now
cars.
it's finally have to what?
Matchbox cars.
Whoa, I did a vote too. Yeah.
Oh,
Yours is different.
who's this to? Please don't throw it right on me, please.
That's where the pile of wrapping paper is.
No, that's where I
Zach.
said you.
Zach.
Me.
Elise's boat goes under.
That'd be a submarine.
Holy.
It's up. It's yeah.
But
Are they just random piece boxes?
Sweet.
those are for Uncle Mark.
Awesome.
Those are for you.
beg your pardon.
See if they got you.
Sorry we didn't buy all those things you picked out last week.
What?
Sorry we didn't buy all that stuff you picked out last week while we were looking for other people at the mall.
What's this? What's this? That cute? It's so cute.
Don't throw those boxes away. There's stuff in them.
Oh man, we got Skylanders Front Force. Wait, is that the game? We got Skylanders Front Force, the game. Oh man, remember that person that looked like this? Was in the rabbit? You have one of those too.
That's so you don't wear your pants to bed.
Zach,
I wonder what this is anyway. What do you want? What's that? Oh, that's what she is.
That's yours, I think.
Yeah. Open. What is that? Oh, it's not a glass of water.
no, it's a vodka bottle.
Wait. Max, you opened up Caleb's again.
Huh?
You opened up Caleb's again.
It's pouring everybody drinks.
It doesn't matter. Oh my goodness. It doesn't matter.
Is that appropriate video?
Program the robot before.
Okay.
No way.
We got the Christmas party.
Oh, you got one of these too? Yeah.
I've never even saw that one. Oh, that's a sticky bone. It is. That's for you.
Who's this for? Oh yeah, this one doesn't have a name on it. Yeah, it's just like it doesn't have a name on it.
Yep, they all have names. You just have to.
LED shower.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is from Santa. Thanks.
Yeah, it doesn't seem as fun, but it does when you're old.
We've got a lot of rods. Oh my goodness. Hey, wait, I got this from Santa. Okay, sure. I got this one. I got one pencil.
That.
Oh, Uncle Mark. What's this? There you go.
Your mom.
Whoa, thank you.
This is for you.
That's what that is.
Huh?
Remember you said that was cozy?
Oh. This is for your dad.
Oh, that's my J Black.
You like that,
Oh.
Grace?
Yes.
Yes. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Oh, Mom, more. This is sweet. Mom, it's a little cat. I got a box.
There's a sunshine and a moon shadow.
Oh, it's a UPS box.
Cute. Almost
That makes it special.
Oh, I hope you ordered that early. It takes longer to get there.
It was fun picking. Let me see the first one.
Come on.
Zach, that might not be the best way to open it.
Oh, kitty on it.
Yes.
Watch the dog. Does she have a...
Oh, you want that? Because I wanted.
Squeaky toy.
Oh, more, huh? It's her toy.
I'm assuming so. It's squeaky.
Oh my goodness. Oh, sweet.
Something smells. Did you guys open something perfumey?
Come on.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. That's awesome.
Open. Oh, this is so boring. I can't open it.
Zach, let me see it.
I wasn't thinking.
I'm opening it. Oh, there we go. Almost there. I opened it. It's a deflated.
Wow.
It's deflated football.
It is.
It's deflated again.
Lights
Wait,
up.
Soccer,
Well, I guess that means you have to
It
inflate it.
lights
No,
up.
I think that was Max's. He said he got that. Yeah, those are mine.
Oh,
sweet.
yeah.
Mom, why is it dirty?
I don't know if it's discolored.
Dude, it came UPS.
Oh. I know, but I was like, isn't this just brand new?
They could have repacked it.
Right here, at Boston's bowl again.
Look, coming through UPS, at least be happy it made it. It did go through Fort Worth.
Ross, put it back. Can you put it in the box?
Right there.
Whoa.
Just try directions on how to make it.
Whoa. Not the Hobbit.
one is tough.
That's cool though. I have a light up football.
You do.
Yes, I do. I got it from Mom.
What is that, Zachary?
It's a light up football. It glows in the dark.
Isn't that?
I think she said she thought it was a soccer ball.
Play after dark even.
Yes. You gotta go blow this up with your car.
All right, hand out the gifts, dude.
Alright. This is for Zach.
Hey, be careful of that, Zach.
Max got this.
Zach.
Got this in that.
Oh my goodness. That's sweet.
Hard. It is hard.
Oh,
There are papers inside that.
oh yeah, that's so cool. This is awesome. I am Batman, Cyborg, Green Lantern. Oh, look at Conan Unmasked. It has all the DC characters.
Yeah, we'll try that later.
Here's the parents.
That's cool.
Are you just opening my gift, man?
Yeah. I thought, what kid?
Ah, we're gonna be you.
What kid wouldn't like that game?
I didn't wrap them.
Oh God.
Ask your mom.
Two mysterious ones. Who's it
Huh?
from? What you?
Oh, Christina, are those you wrapping? Because I didn't wrap those.
It's from the.
Maybe the boys wrapped them.
Well, I was right. This is a box. Oh. The kid is. Are you talking to me or not?
Just start, Max.
What book is that?
That one goes in.
Guinness World
That's for
Record
Aunt Jan last.
2014 official.
Okay.
Officially amazing.
Aunt Jan,
This is animated
Oh my gosh,
3D
there's
with
so many games.
did Aunt Jan get 2 boxes?
I've got one.
There should be one more box. Hey, Max, the one behind you I think is Aunt Jan's. The
Oh
one,
my
one right by you,
goodness.
Elise.
Huh?
The one right to your left I think is for Aunt Jan's.
Oh yeah. The tall is awesome. Use the tall. Where'd you get this from? Mine.
From his mother.
Hey, I didn't get my game ball.
There you go.
All I'm saying about that is I don't want to hear any whine about these games because
Only one.
Oh, she
Only
is my
one.
favorite. Thank
No worries, Mom. We'll play my own.
Oh, you're welcome. You're
What?
welcome.
I can't buy mine. What?
Have you
Oh,
seen
that
it
one.
at all?
That game's worse than Borderlands.
We're gonna turn off the light.
No, you can't turn off the violence on that game. You only can do it on Borderlands 2.
You can.
No, you can't. Yeah, you can. No, only on Borderlands 2.
and I'm bored.
There we go.
Oh, thank you, Max and Zach.
Oh!
New one. Yes, thank you too. From me.
Whoops!
What's the matter?
Never mind.
What?
Nothing.
What are these whoops?
He'll tell you later.
There's no whoops.
No, I asked them. I thought you sent those in the mail because I asked Angie if you
Oh,
got
little ones.
Oh,
Little
you
ones.
sent the Christmas cards in the mail.
I know, but I thought you sent those too.
Dude,
Oh, check this out. Check this out. Rose.
Oh, that's awful.
there's probably not enough room
Most
yet.
usable pogo stick.
New TV.
And you can use it, which is awesome. Impossible.
I didn't wrap yours, Mom. Sorry.
Woo!
I'm gonna bring a platform stand over and put it up
For
on.
me? Oh, okay. I'll just open one. You open one.
Thank you.
What I just really nice. Ooh. What are these?
What platform?
They're air hockey
The one
pucks.
Dave made.
They light up. Whoa! And I have air hockey pucks.
You're a hockey puck.
Wow.
Oh, it's time.
Don't you wish you had the things to hit them with now?
They're right there.
I thought those were Max's.
He's laid up.
Ow!
Sorry, it's to both of them.
They're not
Sorry.
sharing.
Sorry, I dropped it.
Anybody know who this is?
Okay.
Yeah, I found them.
You're okay.
Just open them. They don't have any names on them. Just open them.
Please don't put them on.
Oh, dang, these are cool.
Yeah.
They're glittery.
I know, don't you?
I
And these light up.
There's no writing on it at all. I don't think I have paper like that.
On what?
I didn't.
Which ones?
The tissue.
The tissue paper.
Zach, did you Max wrap those? The green and red one there?
Forward, no. Should I just say what they are? Yeah.
What else? Somebody had to wrap 'em.
Thank you.
I don't have tissue paper, so I didn't wrap 'em. Maxwell, did you wrap gifts for people in red and green paper? Did you wrap gifts for people in red and green paper?
I got one big fingers for your fingers. Tiny. Yeah.
This one's
and
another
I-
Rose.
that's-
Here you go, Nana Rose.
That is a part
You
of
guys
my
just
property.
got your presents unwrapped.
Who wrapped them?
That's yours.
Oh.
We didn't know who they're from. But, oh, it's yours.
No, that's the mom's.
Aunt Jan wrapped them.
Never mind. This
Yeah,
is
that
yours.
was your, for you.
Who's that for then?
Oh, did you guys take them out of the bags you made?
And who's that Queen Anne thing for?
Oh, yes.
It in the,
That probably goes with that.
that's really good.
You can have it.
Jan, that probably goes with the other thing, right? Oh, yeah. It was unwrapped.
You guys probably took them out of the bag.
Oh, they took it
Hey!
all out of the bag.
Man,
No,
you took
just
one
two of 'em.
mine. Oh. Huh, I have mine.
Zach, I'm pretty sure you're gonna put them all into one box, so they'll be all right.
They switched their parts.
Zach, aren't you gonna keep them all in one box?
Check this out. I want to try one.
Oh, my goodness.
Come on. Are you serious?
What's that look for? Delise?
That is awesome.
No, you're all done till next year. See?
Christine, it matches my slippers.
Got it.
Oh, thank you so much. These are really good. And
You can replace the parts with each other. That's what swamp parts is.
they are so hard to find.
Oh.
I said, you guys have any clips?
What is it for? The Xbox?
One spot.
Read it.
Oh,
Where's the game?
Max had it.
Max, where's the game? The game. That swamp force. Where's the swamp? Oh, it's for the Wii U. Okay. See? Come on. This guy can't be. He can't be that stuck. He's not even.
Zach, let me see it.
He's not even screwed in. He's just that's cursed.
What's this?
Oh, Max got that.
It's a bird seed?
Thanks.
Looks like bird seed.
Because I can't fathom Johnny Jefferson.
They are
The only trouble
Spartan,
with
puffy, huge pants.
he went
See it?
overboard.
Well, yeah, the ones you circled were like men's.
See? This
From
is
wire.
a guy that could be
Put
swamp.
them in your case
No.
so you don't start
I know.
losing them.
Hell yeah.
Zach,
Here's this guy
Zachary.
by itself.
Zach,
My colors.
put them in a case so you don't lose them. Did you hear?
It changes
Yes.
colors. There's a shower. There's lights on
Oh
it. It changes
my
colors.
goodness.
What? Does this come with batteries? What's this for?
Oh.
What is that?
Those are batteries, aren't they?
For what?
Sure that's not for releasing shower thing?
Nope. It's not.
I don't know. I'm just kidding.
Zach,
Oh,
Zach.
my archery.
put those in the case so they don't get stepped on.
No, I don't think they're mine. I don't think they came.
They're all gonna go in the same case anyway.
Is the dog?
Right here. Eve's going over my
No,
legs
I
for some
actually have a
reason.
collectible case.
I don't know why. She always goes over my legs.
Here, you can put all these in here.
But there's a covering on it.
You undo the covering so when you open it, doesn't fall off.
Oh, found it. Well, that's awesome. Broken parts.
What's Max doing?
Opening something.
What? He just opened something that we don't?
No, it's opening a box.
Why can't I open a box?
You
I
just
like opening boxes.
Open the box.
Say what?
Box!
Zach, do you know where the garbage bags are? Why don't you go get a garbage bag?
How many characters did you get?
We got. There's 3. Max has 1.
Here,
That's
Max,
4.
here,
And then
Max.
5, 6.
Max.
We have 7.
Maxwell, untwist the things on this side. Now, come on.
Oh, does this roll? Does this go? No.
Max, turn around and twist on this side. See the things on there?
Yes, we get 2 ones. Oh. Game. Found it.
Aha.
That was easy. Come on. Budge, I need you.
Yours.
Yours. They got them wrapped.
I think they just took them out of your bag. That's why I didn't have labels on.
And this guy, that's on here.
They're everybody's now.
Hey, Max, where's this guy?
It is
Guys, I'm coming! Here he is! Ta-da!
Ah, is that
Oh, sword that comes apart. See?
We have to ask that and wrap a little faster. I can only do 30 minutes on my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
They come apart. I know just what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this guy and this guy. I am blazing. See?
Zach, how much candy did you eat?
None.
None. No,
I
I
ate four.
don't. Yeah, the none I wasn't buying.
That looks like a crossbow.
Max, you alright?
Yeah.
You helping Aunt Jan?
Open.
You helping Aunt Jan?
Aha! I have this guy.
Look.
I'm mixing them up.
Oh, it's one of those. Yes. Just
Ta-da! Oh yeah, man, this is cool. I call this guy. Look at how hard. He's mine.
You're gonna put them all in the
This guy was
box.
mine, and this guy came with the guy.
Wait,
And which one's you? This one's mine too.
Oh,
These are all three of my characters.
Zach, you just took those out of Max's
Here,
box.
you got. You got these two characters.
No, it's a pullover.
They don't come apart.
But it's soft.
And you can have this character.
Zach.
It came with the game.
Zachary.
We can share.
Zachary.
What?
Don't lose that
Oh
piece.
yeah. I
Zach.
got this one.
I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
Zach.
Yes.
Take that piece so it doesn't get thrown away.
It was fun.
Look.
Like that.
Oh, Max, check out this guy. Whoa!
Yeah, don't lose your little guys and don't.
Don't step on them! No worries, I'll save you. You go in here. You guys are collectibles. So, and then you guys are tough, so you go in here. And then you go in here. And then you go in the weak ones that don't transform into anything.
There you.
Oh, and then this guy can go in the middle.
Max. Maxwell.
What?
Pick up your video game so don't get stepped on. Because if you get stepped on,
Be careful, don't break
you're gonna need that before it gets thrown away, Zach.
There we go.
Zachary.
What?
Pick that up before it gets thrown away.
Which one?
Your Scalender's base, because you have to have
Oh, we
that.
already have four of them.
For the Wii U,
Two.
for
Not
the,
for the Wii U.
We have one for the Wii.
for the swap
Actually, I
force.
think we need this one.
Yes, you do. That's why I want. There's some on the, but there's some on the bottom of
Okay,
it.
then I can put this one in this thing.
They're different.
Oh,
Christine, the purse I'm using is the purse you gave me.
I know.
But they didn't, it's the only purse that could fit everything in.
okay.
That's nice and one.
Then we'll take this
That's-
game
You
out.
can't put as much
Is
stuff
this out?
inside of it, but there's two pockets on the outside.
And then we'll just close the characters in here with the
Yeah.
batteries. And
Because your next one, Mom, I'm getting you one that.
You don't put them inside.
ta-da!
You put them on the
And
outside.
that goes right there. And this box. Why isn't this closed? There we go. Now.
And I looked for purse. I thought that'd be easier for carrying things around.
I was trying to find one
But-
that you don't have to go inside.
You should see the basket that has like 37.
Thank you.
37.
That's the nicer one I was getting. I was getting that one where you clap your hands and sets off an alarm. So every time you go, "Where's my purse?"
That's not a real thing, is it?
You find out soon.
Look at her ears, her antlers. It's covering her